The Gupta Empire existed from the early 4th century CE to the late 6th century CE. The Gupta Empire covered almost all of the Indian subcontinent from 319 to 467 CE. This period is also known as the Golden Age of Indian history. The first two rulers of the Gupta dynasty, Sri Gupta and his son Ghatotkacha's history are obscure, therefore the dynasty is believed to have originated with the reign of Chandragupta I. Some theories conflict with each other regarding the homeland of the Guptas dynasty. The Gupta family's ancestry and early background are unknown, which has inevitably led to a lot of speculation. According to a theory, the Guptas originated in regions of modern-day Uttar Pradesh, while another theory suggests that the homeland of the Guptas was the modern-day Bengal. The records don't mention the Varna or the social class of the dynasty. Some historians have put forward their theory of the Guptas belonging to the Vaishya class. This is because some ancient Indian texts mention the title, Gupta, to be a member of the Vaishya's Varna. Critics of the Vaishya's theory have to say that the suffix, Gupta, appears after the name of many non-Vaishyas during the Gupta period. Therefore the origin, as well as the class of the Gupta dynasty, can be said to be inconclusive. Popular kings. Chandragupta I, 320–330 AD. Chandragupta I is viewed as the forefather of the Gupta period, which begins with his reign in AD 320. He was the principal Gupta pioneer to accept the title of Maharajadiraja, which means the King of Kings. He also made matrimonial alliances to extend his empire by marrying a Lichachavi princess, Kumaradevi. He gave an exceptional sort of coin called Chandragupta Kumaradevi type. Samudragupta, 330–380 AD. Samudragupta was the son of Chandragupta I. Samudragupta was one of the supreme leaders of the Gupta dynasty. Much of the information about him has been acquired from the Allahabad pillar inscription. His most noteworthy accomplishment was the political unification of the majority of India. The Allahabad pillar inscription, Prayaga Prashasti Prav,